Generally, we give feedback to a person so that he is able to overcome the challenges that he's facing and becomes better at what he is. However, have you thought that if we are able to, instead of giving feedback, capitalize on the strength of that particular person rather than focusing on the weaknesses, he could become better at what he does because his strengths are so very strong and he is able to capitalize it in a much better way. Welcome today to another episode of Story Speak, where I'm going to share with you the story of Lionel Messi, one of the greatest football players of our times. Lionel Messi grew in a small town in Argentina, and since his teenagerhood, he was a very good football player. And therefore, the Barcelona club scouted him and started inducting him inside the club so that they could train him and make him a much better player. But what they noticed was that Lionel Messi was very short in height. Secondly, he was not very bulky and strong. Third, that he was very strong on his left foot, but not very strong on the right. With this in mind, they gave him a lot of proteins to make him a strong football player. Lionel Messi realized this and he thought of quitting the club. Therefore, the authorities of the club turned the tables on Lionel Messi and they told him, do not consider your weaknesses as your weaknesses, but focus on two important things. And that's what they told him to do. Number one, that when you are on the field, be the most dangerous player on the field. And number two, play more with your left foot because that is the strongest asset for you. And what did it really happen? It turned the table and motivated Lionel Messi to perform much better. And in one of the very big football matches in the finals, Lionel Messi played the best game ever that he had played. He shot the best goals. And out of 21 times that he touched the ball, 19 times he touched the ball with his left foot. And only twice he touched the ball with his right foot. Can you see that one particular message that the club gave to Lionel Messi to capitalize on made a lot of difference, not only to his mental state, but also to his physical state. If I take the essence of this story into the corporate world, we always focus on giving feedback to our team members so that they can improve. But however, do we also focus on the strengths of the team members to whom we are giving feedback so that they become better at what they are having as a strength, make it the asset for the team and also for the organization? If you like this story, I would request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see a lot of other stories as well. Until we meet in the next episode of Story Speak, bye-bye.